Dito po sa relo ni Congressman Benny Abante, ang kailangan po natin tingnan dyan, yung gold fluted bezel, tapos yung bracelet niya, which is two-tone, tapos yung dial display niya, which looks complicated. So, dahil sa mga katangian na to, tingin ko this is a Rolex Sky Dweller, the reference to 336933. So, ang Sky Dweller po, I think is one of the most complicated, if not the most complicated movement that Rolex currently has. Ang dami pong sinasabi sa dial na ito, time and date, tapos makikita nyo merong second time zone. Makita nyo rin, it also tells you the month of the year, no? So, annual calendar. Ang market value po ng relo na ito is 1.1 million pesos. We have to think of alternatives. At ang alternative po na napili ko ay ang brand na Bulova, no? Specifically, the watch, the Super Seville. So, ang Bulova po is an American brand that was founded in 1875, if I'm not mistaken, by a man called Joseph Bulovano. So, ang SRP po ng relo na ito is nasa mid 40,000 pesos, so 45,000-ish.